Check out Makita's brand new 18-volt brushless power file. Now this 9mm belt sander is a powerful little thing. That brushless motor doesn't bog down when you put some serious weight behind it. At the business end, that arm pivots through 160 degrees, so you can make the tool quite compact for storage and transport, but it also gives you plenty of options to adjust the tool to suit the surface you're working on for both comfort and access. Also, when you drop that arm below 90 degrees, it engages the trigger lock for your safety. It also stops it firing it up if it's in the job bag in transit. And when you adjust that arm, you can also adjust that LED work light to see what you're doing, which is nice. It's got variable speed control at the base of the tool, which means that belt will spin from 600 all the way up to 1700 RPM. And you can lock that trigger on, so if you've got a lot of material to remove, you don't have to hold the trigger the whole time. Other features include the electric brake when you release the trigger, and you haven't seen an easier belt change. It's a very handy little bit of kit for everything from cleaning up hard to reach welds through to doing a bit of sanding or carving. If you want more information on the 9mm brushless power file from Makita, hit me up in that comment section down below, or go to sydneytools.com.au for more info. Until next time, I'm Tim. Thanks for watching Sydney Tools TV.